And then Copaiba, very popular oil, also comes in capsules. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to cover the doTERRA LRP or Loyalty Rewards Program for March, and let's get right into it. Alright, so the LRP is like a frequent flyer program or hotel rewards program where the more you buy, the more you save and can get free products in the future. And so that's what I love about it. It's getting rewarded for supporting a wellness lifestyle. It's amazing. Here we go. Oh. So we have the sustainable packaging from Paper Plus. There you go. Awesome to see. And we got a number of products that I paid for and ones that I got for free, which I'll have listed down below in the description area, so you can check those out. But we'll start with one of the items that I have missed the most because it's been a little while, it's been a little struggle. But it's the Fractionated Coconut Oil. As you can see, there's 5 of them, right? So I'm gonna put those all off to the side. But Fractionated Coconut Oil, it has kind of the dusties from the packaging there. But fractionated coconut oil is a good moisturizer. It's one ingredient, it's liquid at room temperature, and it again moisturizes your skin. It reduces the chance of irritation when applying essential oils. And I put this on the morning and at night, especially after showers, to again, you know, just support my skin health, which is really important. Keep it soft, keep it supple, and you know, youthful looking, all those amazing things. I love this. No smell, no greasiness, it's just all amazingness. Love it. Alright, so next we have the doTERRA concentrate, cleaner concentrate that is, from the On Guard brand. And you can see you can use it for cleaning surfaces, as well as dishes, toilets, sinks, and even floors. And that's what I use this for. And it has 1 bottle of the On Guard or protective blend in it, which is amazing. So this is a green cleaner, non-toxic. Great to have in the home, under the bathroom, or kitchen cabinet, are places where I keep them. And then we're going to go to the Lifelong Vitality Pack, which is right here. This is the vegan version here. And this is my 3 amigos, as I like to call them. So we have Alpha CRS Plus. This is energy in a bottle from plant-based botanicals and extracts that you can see right here, as well as the Tummy Tamer blend to support digestive health. And you'll take 2 in the morning and 2 in the early afternoon is what I like to do, in a capsule holder to support energy, cellular energy that is, and vitality. There you go. Next, we have the VE Omega. These are omegas 3, 6, and 9 to support muscle, joint, as well as brain health from what is missing from the standard American diet. So you can see it has some vitamins there, and it's got some omegas, and then it has 9 essential oils in there, which you can see right there. There you go, there's a little bit of glare, but you can see those, and this is great to have. And again, it's 2 in the morning and 2 in the early afternoon with this as well. Next, we have the Microplex VMZ. So this is a vitamin and mineral supplement that is more easily absorbable into your cells, which is really important because it's not just you are what you eat, but you are what you absorb, which is an important clarification. And so you can see vitamins and minerals here, as well as a proprietary whole food blend. And then we have an enzyme blend. And then we have the Tummy Tamer blend. So again, supporting your digestion as well. A lot of your immune system lies in your small intestines and talks to your brain. So it's very important with regard to the gut-brain axis that it's supported.
Speaking of minerals and supporting your immune system, sea moss is a powerhouse of the sea superfood variety. Sea moss contains a lot of essential minerals, vitamin C, and antioxidants. Simsima's sea moss also comes in original, apple cinnamoss, and raspberry strawberry flavors, and you can learn more by visiting simsima.co or by clicking the link in the description area below.
We have the TerraZyme, which is right here. And these have enzymes that break down proteins, fats, sugars, carbs, fibers, and this is good to use with any cooked foods. So my rule of thumb is 1 of these capsules 30 minutes before you eat if your meal is 1/3 cooked. If your meal is 2/3 cooked, then you take 2 capsules, and if it's all the way cooked or a really big cooked meal, 100% cooked, then you take 3, maybe even 4. That's right. And I have 2 of these because I use a lot of these. And these are important because these are also missing in the standard American diet. And even if you eat healthy, it's important to supplement with 3 amigos as well as enzymes and probiotics. So these probiotics is called PB Assist Plus. It has prebiotics in it that feed the beneficial microorganisms in here as well. It's double encapsulated to make sure it gets to the right place in your small intestines, and it has a number of microorganisms, beneficial ones that is, and you want a 10-to-1 good to bad microorganisms in your body so that your immune system is supported. And so this is going to support your digestion and your immune system particularly, and obviously it's very important during these times and every time so you can stay healthy all year long. And as you can see, my health regimen is building up and is a lifestyle. It's not a one and done type of thing here. It's things I do daily and monthly. And so we have all the oils here, which I'm just going to get out right now. All these. I got a number of oils for free this month. There was a decent amount because I used some points or some product credits that have been building up from previous purchases. And let's combine all the similar ones here. And there's also a product of the month. So I'm just kind of organizing everything. Yes, I got my citrus oils. So that is what I did. Okay, so I'll just get all the citrus oils all at once here since they're kind of similar. So you can see I have lime, lemon, grapefruit, and then a couple wild oranges right here. And so the thing with citrus oils in particular is that you want to make sure that you use glass, stainless steel, or ceramic containers when you're taking them internally. It's 1 drop per 4 ounces. You can also double check by looking at the supplement facts. It'll also tell you that information as well. And so that's how you know you can take these internally. And then if you're taking them topically, you want to make sure not to put these on your skin and then go right out into the sun because these are photosensitive or can create some sensitivity when you go out in the sun. So make sure to use sun protection before you go out in general, and use a natural sun protection lotion. There you go. And that is important to use. And there's a number of like do-it-yourself recipes for all that. And then how I use these is I put these on my hands to clean them, or I put these in my green smoothies, or I put these in my kombucha bottles after I'm done with them with apple cider vinegar to, again, support my digestion, support my immune system. And if you support your digestion, you're supporting your immune system. And these also are very uplifting, have a positive scent, and I love these oils. That's why I have so many of them, because I use them so much. There we go. I'm going to put these off to the side now. Next, we have peppermint, one of my staples as well. You can use this for alertness, focus, supports digestion, freshens breath. I love this oil. It's one of my faves. Next, we have the product of the month, which is Cedarwood. And I'll have some of the benefits that this has right here for Cedarwood. I love using this. You can use it for your skin, and you can use it for a number of things. It has a very woodsy scent, and is a great oil as well. And then Copaiba, very popular oil, also comes in capsules. Some of the benefits will be listed right here. And I like to use this as a part of a daily regimen too, to support a number of body systems, as I've listed earlier. And the taste is, I actually like it. It's kind of cool. It kind of tastes like, that's kind of like a little woodsy scent as well, because it comes from a tree. But yeah, this is a great oil. So the next step that I'll do is I'll take all these and basically reduce barriers to use. And what I mean by that is I'll take off plastics, recycle the containers and boxes that I can, consolidate any capsules that I have from previous months, put the oils in inventory if I'm not going to use them. If I am going to use them, then I'll put them in places where I can't help but see them, like the kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, places like that. And those will help make sure that I use what I purchased and that my quality of life is being maintained. So what we did to get well, we're doing to stay well. And so it's not, again, a one and done type of thing. It's a lifestyle. It's something we do daily to support our health. And self-care is very important. And I'll leave you with this saying that I like, and it's mental health is the new wealth. And it's important to be rich in positive emotions. And with that being said, make sure to hit the like button if you did, share this video with somebody that would benefit from it, and make sure to check out some of the links in the description area below. And I'll see you in the next video.